southeast winds around 5 miles an hour this evening, becoming light and variable. Labor Day, partly sunny. A chance of shower. National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Collin County in north-central Texas, Rockwall County in north-central Texas, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are forecast. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dallas, Garland, Rowlett, Wiley, Rockwall, Roy City, Heath, Fett, Farmersville, Mobile City, Levon, McClendon, Chisholm, Nevada, Josephine, Copeville, Levon Lake, Lake Ray Hubbard, and Branch. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.